Hi, everybody. This is Jordana Engebretson. I'm one of the teachers for Conversational Spanish Level 1. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to do an overview of Google Classroom, and you're going to see how the class Conversational Spanish Level 1 is laid out. To do this, we're going to go to Google Classroom as a student.
Task switching, Zoom to classes-Google Chrome.
Here is a student in this Conversational Spanish Level 1. First thing that you need to do is join the class. To join the class, you can do it two ways. The easiest way is your teacher will send you an invitation in your email and you will just join the class. Or the teacher will give you a code that you will enter it in this page right now. But right now, this student already joined the class, and we're going to go to the Conversational Spanish Level 1 class with headings. Let's press H.
Conversational Spanish Level 1 visited link 1 class options heading level 2 button menu.
That's exactly what you want. You press enter.
Enter. Conversational Spanish Level 1 course stream Google Chrome help and feedback.
What is open right now is the main page of that class. What you're going to see is three tabs: Stream, Classwork, and People. When you open it, always it's going to open to Stream. But what is the Stream? A Stream is like a bulletin board, like a blackboard. It's a place for students and teachers to set information, post information that is relevant for the class. You know, it can be resources, it can be an important link that they want to see, or even some teachers use it to congratulate students, so different things like that. I would recommend you not to start here because the assignments and the links here are not chronologically for what you're going to do in the class. The Conversational Spanish Level 1 class is lasting 5 weeks. We have 10 topics, 2 per week. And the teacher has arranged these topics to be by number 1, 1.1, 2, 2.1. And let's see this. I want you to start with the classwork. The easiest way to do this is go to a list of links.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Conversational Spanish Level 1C. Classwork 3 of 21. Enter. Classwork for Conversational Spanish Level 1
Now you are in classwork. By headings, you're going to find the topics. Let's review the topics right now.
Link 1. Aprende el alfabeto en español. Learn the Spanish alphabet. Topic option.
The Spanish alphabet. Aprende el alfabeto en español.
Link 1.1 Tu nuevo nombre. Aprende a introducirte.
1.1 Your new name. Learn to introduce yourself. Tu nuevo nombre. Aprende a introducirte.
Link 2. Los saludos greetings topic options heading level 2 button menu.
Second week, you have los saludos, the greetings.
Link 2.1 Los días y meses del año.
Second week, 2.1, you have the days and the month. Let's go to the 3.
Link 3. Los colors topic options heading level.
Third one is third week, the colors, los colores.
Link 3.1 Los animals topic options heading level.
3.1, los animales, the animals, and we're going to keep going. I'm going to go a little bit faster, and we're going to come back to one of the topics to understand how every topic is laid out. Okay, let's go.
Link 4, los numeros numbers. Link 4.1 inverted question mark. ¿Qué hora tienes? What time is it?
4 was los numbers, the numbers, los números. 4.1 is what time is it?
Link 5, preguntas para.
5 is questions for traveling or shopping. 5.1.
Link inverted exclamation point. Puntos interesantes de la cultura hispana /latina.
Now we're going to jump to a topic that is not a part of the weeks, but it's a very important topic for you as an extra information about the facts of the Hispanic or Latino culture. Here in this topic, we have some videos. We have a file that is a fun facts about the culture. I think will be very, very interesting for you. Let's go back to the colors. To go back, you do Shift H, back heading.
Link 5. Preguntas link 4.1 inverted question mark. Link 4. Los Numeros numbers topic link 3.1 Los Angeles link 3. Los colors topic options.
We went to the colors or los colores. Go down with arrow key to the
heading level 2 button menu collapse list of 3 items nesting level 1.
There's 3 items. Let's see what are they.
Collapse 3. Song aprend los colors con esta canción. Learn.
The first one, always the first thing in your topic is a song or a video that it will help you to review, give you the information about the skill that I wanted you to learn, okay? And then this is a video about the colors. Okay, let's just a space bar when it says collapse to expand it.
Space, tab panel, topic 3, Los colors region.
Now we're gonna go down to the link of the YouTube.
Material, 3, song aprend edited May 20 material options but visited link attachment YouTube.
This is a part that is very important. I want you to be careful about it. Do not press enter. Because if you press enter in this YouTube video, it's not gonna open in a different tab. And when you close it, it's gonna give you completely out of Google Chrome. What I want you to do right now is press shift enter.
Shift enter. Las colors the colors in Spanish song by Risas Weiss on risaspanishforkids.com YouTube Google Chrome main region.
Los colores. Red es rojo, blue es azul, yellow es amarillo, verde, green, black es negro, blanco es white, purple es morado, brown café, pink es rosa, gris es gray, anaranjado es orange, shout hooray, shout hooray.
To close this, you do Control W.
Control W, Classwork for Conversational Spanish Level 1 Google.
And when you close that, it should bring you back to the topic.
Link view material, collapse 3, colors escrobel color correct.
Now we're gonna go to an assignment. That way you know how to do that. It says collapse, you expand it with a space bar.
Space, collapse 3, colors escrobel color correcto, right the right color, but assignment.
And I wanted you to go to view assignment. Let's go to the link that says view assignment.
3, colors escrobel due June 22, assignment options button menu posted May 20 assigned, visited link attachment visited link view assignment.
I wanted you to go there.
Enter view assignment link assignment details Google Chrome help and feedback button menu collapse menu due June 22.
It tells you when it's due.
Heading level 1-3. Colors escrow 100 points.
It's 100 points.
Assignment options button menu collapse Jordana and Gibertson May 28 class comments.
You can put a class comment.
Add class comment. Required edit. Post button unavailable. Main region end.
I want you to go to the link of the assignment.
Your work. Assigned. Visited link attachment Google Docs Benjamin and Gibertson conversationals.
Yep, that is the assignment. We're gonna do again shift enter to go to a different tab.
Shift enter. Benjamin and Gibertson Conversational Spanish Level 1 Colors Activity Google Docs Google Chrome Document Content Use Virtual PC Cursor Off Document Content Edit Type in Text Fecha Number
Nombre is your name.
Number NOMBRE New line space.
You can put your name. The name of this student is Benjamin.
BENJAMIN Benjamin enter.
Okay, then we have fecha.
Fecha FECAA new line space.
The fecha today is June.
June
7th.
7.
Then we go.
Spelling suggestion exited color correcto. New line 1. El sol es.
El sol es.
The sun is yellow.
The sun is yellow.
1. El sol es. Sol S E S space.
Amarillo.
AMARILLO.
and you will keep completing this assignment, and you will have a list of what are the colors in English and the colors in Spanish. And then we're going to close this assignment with Control W.
Amarillo, Control W, complementary region, blank, use virtual piece, remove Benjamin engine,
And if you have it totally done,
add or create button menu,
when
collapse
I
menu,
go to the button that says turn in,
turn in button,
right there, I'm going to turn it in even though the student didn't finish it.
enter, free alert, turn in your work, turn in your work, turn in your work, one, attachment, cancel button, turn in button to activate, press enter, space, attachment, attachment, content info region, help and feedback.
Yep, and you turn it in. Well, I hope that this is going to help you understanding how to do assignments and Google Chrome and the Conversational Spanish Level 1. But we're going to do the class together. There have been any questions, you can email the teacher. Thank you.
Meeting controls to move to a